Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you all? Hope fine. Today I am going to discuss about some word problems of exercise 2.1. So by this class you can learn how to find out what is the real quantity of anything from their ratio. Okay. So I am going to start it. Look at example 4 of exercise 2.1. Okay, the sum of two numbers is 360 if the ratio of the number is 4:5. Find the two numbers. That means we don't know what is the number, but we know their sum is 360 and the ratio is 4:5. Now we have to find out the two numbers. Okay. We just mm, have to utilize this ratio 4:5. That means if I consider this quantity is for first number and this quantity is for another number, the ratio of numbers is 4:5. That means it is quantity of first number and it is quantity of second number. That means antecedent is for first number and subsequent is for second number. Okay. Now it is our normal procedure. As it is a given ratio, we have to find out the sum of antecedent and subsequent. Here antecedent is 4 and subsequent is 5. We just find out the sum of antecedent and subsequent, and it is 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Okay. Uh, at first, we have told it the quantity of first number is 4. That means antecedent is the quantity of first number and subsequent is for the uh, quantity of second number or another number. So it is 4 and the sum of the antecedent and subsequent is 9. Okay. And sum of the two numbers, it is sum of the ratio. That means sum of antecedent and subsequent, and it is the sum of two numbers. Here 4 is the quantity for first number and 9 is sum. So we have to write 4 by 9 times of 360. 4 is quantity for first number and 9 is their sum. 4 by 9 times of 360. 4 by 9 times of 360, and 360 is sum of two numbers. Okay, we have to utilize 360 also to get the first get all the numbers. Okay, the first number is 4 by 9 times of 360. Here 360 is divisible by 9. 9 fours are here. It is also given the calculation. 360 into 4 by 9. We know the operation of is as like as multiplication. Okay, but in simplification we have to do it earlier than other. Here only of is available. Okay, now 4 by 9 of 360, we have written it 360 into 4 by 9. 360 divided by 9, it becomes 40. 40 into 4 is equal to 160. The first number is 160. So the second number, by similar way, we know the sum of two numbers is 360 and the quantity of second number or another number is 5. As we considered, quantity of first number is 4 from the ratio and quantity of second number is 5 from the ratio. We already have found out the first number, and by similar way we are going to find out the second number. The second number is 5 by 9 times of 360. 9 is sum and 5 is the quantity for second number and 360 is the sum. 5 by 9 times of 360, and we after calculation 360 divided by 9 is 40. 40 into 5 is equal to 200. We get both the number. Required two numbers are 160 and 200. Understand? Okay, we are for further understanding, we are going to solve another one. Okay, in a mixture of 40 kg, that means there are a mixture of 40 kg. The ratio of sand and cement is 4:1. So there are a mixture of 40 kg. That means the sum of weight of sand and cement is 40 kg, and the ratio is 4:1. Determine the quantity of sand and cement in the mixture. We have to find out the individual quantity of sand and cement. Okay, at first it is our normal procedure to solve the problem like this. We have to, at first we have to add the antecedent and subsequent. Her ratio is 4:1 and their sum is 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. The quantity of sand, sum is 5 and the quantity is sand from the ratio is 4, and their total weight is 40 kg. That means weight of mixture is 40 kg. Okay, 4 by 5 times of 40 kg, it is 4 is for sand and 5 is for sum. 4 by 5 times of 40 kg, 40 into 4 by 5, 5 8s are 40, 8 4s are 32. That means the quantity of sand is 32 kg, and the quantity of cement, 1 is quantity of cement from the ratio. Okay, 5 is sum, and 40 kg is the weight of the mixture. Uh, by similar way, we get 40 kg into 1 by 5 kg is equal to 8 kg. That means the quantity of cement is 8 kg and the quantity of sand is 32 kg. For this problem, the mixture is 40 kg and we get the quantity of sand is 32 kg and the quantity of cement is 80 kg. That means they get the ratio of 4:1. Now we are going to solve another problem from your book exercise. Okay, here divide Taka 550 in the ratios of 5:7 and 5:6 and 4:7. That means you have to divide Taka 550. There are two ratios we have to do in different different way, or sorry, we have to do it in a different track. Okay, it is 5:6. At first we have to divide 550 in the ratio of 5:6, and we have to do it differently, different space. At first we are dividing 550 in the ratio of 5:6. Sum of ratio, that means if we can tell it is sum of antecedent and subsequent, it will be better. Sum of ratio is correct, but it is not good for listening. Subsequent is equal to 5 plus 6 equal to 11. Okay, we have to divide. That means we have to divide in two parts. That means first portion, the quantity of first portion is 5 and the sum is 11. So by procedure we have to write 5 by 11 of 550. If we divide 550 by 11, we get 50. 5 11s are 5 and 5 and rest 0, 11 zeros are 0. So it becomes 5 into 50 is equal to 250. Similarly, second portion, we get the second portion 6 by 11 of 550. 550, if we divide 550 by 11, we get 50. 6 into 50 is 300. It is if we divide Taka 550 in the ratio of 5:6, we get these two portion. One is 250 and another okay, it is 250 Taka. As it is Taka, we have to write it Taka. It is 300 Taka. Dividing Taka 550 in the ratio of 4:7, you have to try yourself. Yes, by same procedure, you have to find out the sum of antecedent and subsequent. And the first portion will be 4 by 11. Just 4:7. Sum of the antecedent and subsequent will be 4 plus 7. That means 11. 4 by 11 of 550, and the second portion will be 7 by 11 of 550. So you have to try it yourself. I am not explaining it. Now next one, the sum of two numbers. The sum of two numbers is 630. The ratio is 10 is to 11. Determine two numbers. Here sum of ratio, if I write it is sum of antecedent and subsequent, it will be better. Antecedent and the subsequent is equal to 10 plus 11 is equal to 21. Here one number is 10 by 21 of 630. If we divide 630 by 21, if we divide 630 by 21, 23s are 6, 21 threes are 630 and 21 zeros are 0. That means it becomes 30. 10 into 30 is equal to 300, and another number is 11 by 21 of 630. 11 into 30, that means 330. So we get two numbers. If the numbers are in the ratio of 2 is to 1 and the sum is 630, then one number will be 300 and another number will be 330. So it is end of our today's discussion. Today, same type of problems has been discussed. Hopefully you can understand all the problems very easily, because it is very easy part of easy sums of ratios. You can utilize the unsolved question from your exercise, and you can utilize these procedures. So everybody keep well. Allah Hafiz.